Hey you all, welcome back to my channel and a very happy Diwali to you all.
So today we are going to be creating a very simple yet festive makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. Now this cream right here is so damn amazing. वो ये primer का भी काम करता है, moisturizer का भी काम करता है. So it's really very amazing. And if you really want to try it, so next after moisturizing we are going to be mixing two foundations. एक foundation से भी काम चल जाता, but I really wanted to try an experiment. तो मैंने ये मिलानी का Conceal Plus Perfect और ELF का foundation mix किया है. Both are really amazing. And here I'm going to be using this BK Beauty foundation brush, 101 foundation brush. It is amazing. I have heard so many reviews about this brush and I got the opportunity to try it, and really this is such a beautiful, it just creates such a beautiful base. It just marinates the cream into your skin and gives it a seamless finish. I just love it. Can you just see my skin texture? It's glossy, but at the same time it's just giving that seamless finish. So yeah, I'm just taking time to mix and get that foundation blended into the skin. Next I'm going to be using this Makeup by Mario face sculpt stick. Now this is a recent purchase of mine. I'm just trying this product, but it really works amazing. And यहाँ पे मैं ELF का brush ले रही हूँ. This is also called as a blush brush, I think so. But I just use it for mixing my contours and it just blends seamlessly. Foundation or contour दो products हो गए. Next is the blush time. So I'm going to be using this ELF blush right here. Liquid blush है ये. It is very pigmented, but you really need a very small quantity of it and just blend it out, all the cream products together. Now the last product in the cream product family is the concealer. Now this L'Oreal concealer is super high coverage. It just hides out those under eyes, any pigmentation you have. You can use it on your under eyes, on your and also on the pigmented areas around the mouth, as we Indians already have. I'm just going to let this concealer sit for a while and then use this Sephora, I think it's 93, but it's in foundation angled brush. So this is what I'm going to be using to blend out that concealer once that sits in. And then once it is done, I'll be also using a damp beauty blender to just mix that concealer seamlessly into the skin. The first product in the powder family is this powder from NYX. It's the matte finish powder. It just blurs out that pores very nicely. It's a new product and it's new purchase of mine and I am loving it recently. Now here I'm going to be using a bronzer to get that chiseled look and apply the bronzer at the side of your cheek and also on the jawline. So just to give your overall face some structure. Now for the eyes, I always want to go for very simple, which is just going to take very minimum of your time. So I have this palette from MAC. So I'm going to be using a very bronzing kind of bronzing kind of shade. You can even use a bronzer for that and just create the arch on your eyes. And then I'm going to be using a glitter part from it to use it as an inner corner. Now this is my favorite bra product, whatever. This is my favorite bra product. I've been using for years now. It's almost like second to third bottle purchase, and it's the Maybelline tattoo liner. If you haven't tried, definitely do give it a try. It works amazing. Adding the Milani baked blush to give that blush from within kind of look. Also to let you know that all the products which I have used to create this look is drugstore, so it's inexpensive, you can easily afford it. And who says that makeup is all about getting into luxury products? It's all about creating art on your face, and it can be created regardless of it's a costly product or it's just affordable one. It's Diwali, so why not to go for the glitter in the inner corner of my eyes? So just blending it out to complete the eye makeup. Also I forgot to put it on the lower lash line, so do definitely you guys should put it there. That just completes that complete eye look.
And loving this L'Oreal's telescopic lift mascara. It just gives that perfect lengthening as well as volume to your lashes. You really definitely don't need a false lashes for that. Thus completing my face look by using this Essence mineralized face powder. This is working out great for me. You can see the pan. I have almost hit the end of the pan, so that means I'm just loving this product right now. it is available in different shades. I think the mine is in the kids in the shade of banana. So yeah, and this Milani lipstick, this is in the shade poppy. I don't know why nobody talks about it. This red color, my god, it's so amazing. It's that festive red color which is just going to suit every skin tone. And just ending it with the fixing spray. This is the final look. Let me know how did you guys liked it. Also giving like completing my look with straightening my hair. I wanted to go with a straight hair look, so yeah, going for that. Now I added this gold traditional jhumkas, earrings, whatever you say that. And this is a very old piece of mine. I very less, I just use traditional wears only during the festivals, though I love wearing them and I completely adore them. But this is the final look, how I got ready, and this is simply what I do on a general basis when I want to wear festive, but at the same time when I want to look and feel festive. Let me know how did you like this look, and definitely let me know in the comments down below how did you celebrate your Diwali. And a very happy Diwali to you all once again. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.